long lines. What, since last week? It's been really, really busy. I think a lot of people are scared of the snow. Yeah, I stayed in the hotel. Very expensive.
Well, actually, my friend, she's doing the shopping, and I already have everything I need at home. So I'm just out helping her get some stuff in the house for her and the kids. I embrace it because I love the snow ever since I was a kid. So I'm always out in it. I even work in it, so yeah, you have to be used to it.
I mean, they're completely out of eggs. They're completely out of milk. All the essentials, cheeses. I think I was the last one to get a bar. So, I mean, all the essentials you cook with onions, everything is gone.